Welcome to QR Mobile Fix. Today we have a phone here. It was brought. The phone, the owner claimed it is charging port. We changed the charging port and the charging port was placed properly. If you can see, it is placed properly. So if we check the board, we check the board with the multimeter. If we check the board with the multimeter, this is our multimeter. We want to test the current. If we check the board with the multimeter, the charger is connected, but there is no power. We come here, check on this pin. You see there is current there. If we come here, if we check, want to look where the problem is. We check the vbus, it is not there. If we check V charge, there is sufficient power there. So if we want to troubleshoot, we want to check on the charging ICs and see if our phone will charge. First, before we do everything, we'll check on the phone battery. Check on the phone battery and see. Okay, I misplaced the battery. Yes, our phone battery. We will check the terminals and see. Voltage is 3.7. That means it needs to be charged for a while. So let's get to work. Let's get to work. Here is what we want to change, and the other is here. So we want to replace them and check if there will be any problem about that. So I think to see it clear, we'll remove the light and see if the charge IC is our problem. Our heat is at 360, air is at 3.5. We want to check if that's the problem. So we will go again and remove this one. Remove it very keenly, because we want to get a new one. Where I am, they don't sell a new one, so I'll just hit it. If it is not getting up, I'll need to use the paste and check if okay, that is it. So I'll come and place it here. Okay, on placing it, I'll have to check on polarity. I must look which side should go to the other end. So I've seen that side, so it will be placed this way. It will be placed this way. Remember, if you put it on an opposite direction, the phone will charge even if it is not connected to the charger, but the limit won't increase. So you make sure you put it on the side it is compatible with. So that is it. We'll give it a little while to cool, and then we will go and check if there is change. Just give it a little while to cool. So that is what we will change. We want to check if there is the problem. The other one is here. The one we removed. So we won't waste time. We'll just connect it and check on. It is still hotter. So let's just give it time. Okay, it is connected. So we'll come with our multimeter and check. We'll put this will be on any ground. This will be on any ground. Then we'll go to vbus. And check if it is there. Recharge, it is still there. vbus not yet. So it's like it is not properly placed. But that is where the problem is. That's what we must. Let me check if I think it is not thoroughly placed. So I'll go and adjust it a bit. That is where our solution is. Just follow the video keenly as we are learning something. I've placed it. This time I hope I'm keener than. I think I'm keener than last time. So let's look at it. The board is still hotter, but it's there. So let's come. I think I've now placed it properly. So we'll have this on the ground and the other one on vbus. The vbus, as you can see now, our board not yet charging. So after that, maybe we'll have to put another, because that one is not doing what should be done. So we will go and check on another one. Remember, this is the process. This is the thing you will do until we confirm our phone is okay. That one maybe it's not working, so just a minute as I'm getting to our toolbox, looking for a working one. So that's the only IC we should change. Its work is to receive, convert and transmit. So wherever that is not happening, it won't work. So I think I'm having another one here. So I've found another one here. See this? So I'll check on the pins and see the pins. It should be this way. It should be that way. Let me place it. Just make sure it is thoroughly placed. Okay, so this ICs, where I am we can't get new ones. That's why I normally take them from another phone. So I'll take this. It's a bit hotter because I've used the board to heat it, and also I want us to finish with the video and do something else. So we'll come there, do what we normally do, check if our vbus is receiving something, and there it is. There it is. Our phone is now charging. The only thing we've not done is correcting this. So our video is there and the phone is now charging. So anytime you receive a phone that is charging but not reaching that point, what you'll have simply to do is to deal with that and your phone will be okay. So that was the video about the troubleshooting and fixing of a phone charging failure, where the charge is reaching the phone but not the terminals. So thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.